What's up, everybody? Texicana Barbecue, São Paulo, Brazil. 20-hour overnight barbecue class, tallow, grease, ashes, fire, sausages. Look at this. The name says Bill Dumas, the Sausage Sensei. We have the king of sausages. Ladies and gentlemen, Bill Dumas.
Woo, doggy, howdy, y'all.
Okay.
This here is Bill Dumas, otherwise known as the Sausage Sensei. I'm outside of Sao Paulo, Brazil, here at True Bomb Smokers. So we have this specially designed sausage pit that has been many months in the making. It's a special design between myself and the crew here at True Bomb. There's a lot of interesting features. I'm known for making sausage, and I really was not satisfied with the quality and type of some of the sausage smokers out there on the market. So I got together with the good folks over here at True Bomb, and we designed this pit right here that you see behind us. There's a lot of really crazy, interesting features that really make this guy operate wonderfully in respect to sausage. So let's talk about that for just a second. First and foremost, it's still an offset pit, yes? But the heat and the smoke come vertically directly into the cabinet. That's pretty cool because sausage performs best when it's hung in curtains, either on hooks or on rods. As the casings dry, it provides more pull on each sausage, which equates to better snap. Better snap means better color retention and better mouthfeel and just a better sausage. So this type of heat coming from the bottom up into the cabinet, directly up and straight through the flue, provides the correct type of heat that sausage really likes. But that's not a one-trick pony, because there's some other interesting features for this pit, and that would be our proprietary design of expanded mesh steel that distributes the heat evenly from corner to corner, from side to side. That's very important. Now, I've been running this pit for about 2 days now here at our sausage class with Texicana Barbecue here at True Bomb. And I can tell you definitively that from this side to this side, from this corner to this corner, from the bottom up, there are no hot spots, not a single one. Not only that, there's very few cold spots. In fact, there are no cold spots. It runs evenly, and that's what we're looking for. So this design from the bottom up directly into the diffuser, which in this case would be the expanded steel, and straight into the stack, is very well thought out. So the temperature and the flow is correct, right? Not only that, but when we come around here to the Firebox itself, boy, this really looks familiar, doesn't it? This is another design that's unique for True Bomb. So this baffle, this damper, will direct air either directly onto the coal bed and fire, or you can close it. So this really helps you maintain precise control over the amount and type of heat within the Firebox. The breathability and the functionability, this guy really draws and breathes nicely. So I can really slow this guy down here accordingly, or conversely, at the top, I can create back pressure by closing that stack. So I have ultimate control of the intake and the exhaust to create the correct environment inside this cabinet. So that is just one of many features on this pit that really, quite frankly, I love. And as I mentioned, after running it for 2 days and really getting it dialed in and fully understanding how it works in person, I can tell you definitively there's nothing else like this pit on the market. The guys here at True Bomb are artists of fire and steel. They know what they are doing. And Our design is unlike anybody else's design, and we are really looking forward to putting this out on the market to help everybody create fantastic sausages. Because let's face it, when you have really good equipment like this, your job becomes a whole lot easier, and you can just create and not have to worry. So one single door, we will close it. 2 gauges, so we have an accurate reading on each side of the pit. Very nice. But yeah, so if you're interested in one of these pits, please contact True Bomb outside of Sao Paulo, Brazil, and we will hook you up. Talk to you soon.
São Paulo, Brazil. And while we're here, it's sausages connected, related. Bill Dumas!
Woo, doggy Jethro, howdy y'all. This is Bill Dumas.
This unit will be in Texas soon, and if you are interested to have a unit like this, just contact us. That's it, right? Now, agora só a gente... Okay.
Okay, ready?
We grab like this. No, it's, like here. Okay. 1, 2, go.
And that'll be all for today. In the next video, we're gonna talk about the True Bomb offset smoker. Quite a unique design, and I was truly impressed about his performances. So hit the button below and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Ciao!